A very good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you all will be fine and safe at home. So, students, now today I am explaining chapter number 17, joining words in English grammar. So, in this chapter, we will discuss about the conjunctions. Okay, joining words को ही हम conjunctions कहते हैं. So, what are the conjunctions? किसे क्या होते हैं conjunctions? जब हम किसी भी दो सेंटेंसेस को, दो वर्ड्स को, फ्रेजेस को, क्लॉजेस को आपस में जॉइन करते हैं तो जिन वर्ड्स को मिला के हम जॉइन करते हैं उन्हें हम कंजक्शंस कहते हैं. ओके, वी यूज़ कंजक्शंस टू जॉइन वर्ड्स, फ्रेजेस, क्लॉजेस एंड सेंटेंसेस. ओके, and, but, or, because, while, so, if, as, when, while, before are all joining words. So these all are the joining words. ठीक है, इन्हीं को हम conjunctions भी कहते हैं. So look at the examples. Sheila is absent because she has chicken pox. So because, यहाँ पे because शीला एबसेंट है. क्यों एबसेंट है? क्योंकि उसको चिकन पॉक्स हो रहा था. ठीक है, सो इनको अलग अलग सेंटेंस लिखने से हमने बिकॉज किया तो जो दोनों सेंटेंसेस को ज्वाइन कर दिया. ओके, वी शुड ईट अ हेल्दी ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच एंड डिनर. हमें हेल्दी ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच और डिनर करना चाहिए. दे कैन नॉट विन अनलेस दे प्रैक्टिस हार्डर. She twisted her ankle so she couldn't finish the race. I would be lonely if my friend did not come. He danced while she sang a song. So all the highlighted words because, and, unless, so, if, or while, all these words are the conjunctions or joining words. Okay, now look the exercise A. Fill in the blanks with the correct conjunctions from the brackets. Now आपको सेंटेंसेस दिए हैं. ठीक है, आपको ब्रैकेट में कंजक्शंस दिए हुए हैं. आपको करेक्ट कंजक्शंस यहाँ पे लिखना है. आई लाइक द फूड बट इट वॉज बेटर द लास्ट टाइम. वियर अ जैकेट और यू विल कैच अ कोल्ड. I always say my prayers before I eat my food. We will wait here until our friend arrives. She wants to be a doctor when she grows up. Tarun had a stomach ache, so he went to the doctor. Number 7. You could pay off your loan if you got a job. I did not eat the food as it was cold. Okay, do this exercise in your book. Now, some conjunctions like either or, neither nor, both and are used in pairs. So students, अभी तक हमने उन conjunctions के बारे में पढ़ा जो हम as single यूज़ कर रहे थे. ओके, जैसे because, as, if, when, while, unless. ओके, नाउ अब वो कंजक्शंस हम पढ़ेंगे जिनको हम सिंगल यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है, इनको हम पेयर्स में ही यूज़ करते हैं. दे आर कॉल्ड कोरिलेटिव कंजक्शंस. ठीक है, इनको हम कोरिलेटिव कंजक्शंस कहते हैं. लुक एट द एग्जाम्पल्स. I can either help you or look after the baby. He was not only a brave man but also a good statesman. They are going both camping and trekking. You can have neither the chocolates nor the sweets. Now look at that. सब यहाँ पे पेयर्स में यूज़ हो रहे हैं, है ना. either or, not only but also, both and, neither nor. ठीक है, so all the highlighted words are the correlative conjunctions. Look at the exercise C. Fill in the blanks with either or, neither nor. Nina can buy either toys or books. Either or. I like neither cartoons nor comedy shows. Helen Keller could neither see nor hear. Please pass either the rice or the chapatis. I am hungry. Number 5. He watches neither films nor television shows. He does not like them. Number 6. I cannot afford either a laptop or a tablet. Number 7. They do their shopping either at the grocery shop or the supermarket. Number 8. I need to write this down. Please give me either a pen or a pencil. I want neither skates nor a bicycle for my birthday. Call either friends or relatives for the party, not both. We can either go out for a meal or order food at home. Mira is neither at Latika's house nor at Sonia's. Where is she? So students, I hope you understood very clearly. Do these exercise in your book. Okay. Good day, goodbye and take care.